more smoking that we're doing. Another one of our farm fresh chickens. Press up.
Down or up, yeah.
Neighbor gave us some tequila lime seasoning and we've been obsessed with it. It has been so good on our chickens, and he got it from California, so we're gonna have to order it if we really want more. All right, friends, so we're inside the van right now and my husband already started working on it. This is the Fantastic fan, and it came with the van. She had it, she bought everything, she just didn't have the time to install it. So my husband went ahead and installed it yesterday. We just have it like this for right now. We're gonna be putting the plastic heating, you know, he's a technical guy, not me. He's gonna be putting the stuff on it to where it is safe and then putting it up. But you can see this opens it. You can see it's open from up there. What that will do is suck up all of the heat and pull it out. So when it's cold, when it's hot outside, we can keep this nice and cool without having to run the air conditioner if we're not going to be, you know, in here the whole time. We can have that going. That's pretty cool. He also rewired this so that it works really well. He fixed what was wrong with it, but now we can plug stuff into it and it actually works. All right, friends, so we went to Lowe's this morning as well and we got the wood that my husband wanted. He's gonna go ahead and put paneling up against here, and he's gonna make a wall behind each of the seats, leaving that open to where we can go through, but at least to just cut off some more privacy. And then he's gonna put a magnetic blind in the middle so that we can close it off and have our privacy when we're in here at night or any other time. So we're gonna get started on that project right now. So a few things that we did find out wrong with the van when we first got it. My husband looked over everything. He knew exactly what was wrong with it and knew he could fix it. That's why we opted to go ahead and get it, knowing it did have some issues. First off, we found out that the battery was definitely bad. Every time it shut it off, we had to charge it to get it started back up again. Then we also had concern that maybe the starter was bad, and we went ahead and picked up a new starter. My father-in-law is installing that right now. We also put it up to the machine that tells you if there's anything wrong with the engine, and we found out that the transmission relay was bad, so we went to Dodge and picked up a new transmission relay. We're gonna be putting that in as well. And this is a very noisy van. When you start it up, it sounds like it belongs to a motor truck or something. It's insanely loud. It sounds cool, but not for a van. So my husband looked underneath and he saw that somebody had cut the catalytic converter. So that is missing. We went into town and we spoke to somebody and they're gonna go ahead and install that next week on Monday. So we will get that taken care of. So yeah, we got a lot going on, but this van is coming together. All right, we're gonna be planing these wood. This is the wood that we got and it's fencing. So we are gonna plane it. This is how it looked, and this is how it looks after it's been planed. I'm just gonna do a few more sections that are still pretty meh, and then we're gonna use these to put up on the wall.
Tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine.
All right, friends, so the next thing I'm working on are these. These are Reflectix, and it comes in big rolls like this. And so what it does is it's gonna help protect from heat, cold, UV rays, all that. So if we want it to stay cool inside, it will keep it cool. If we want it to be hot, it will warm it up. So I'm putting these in every single window that we have. We can remove these. These are not permanent, so when we're out driving around, we remove them. Or if we want sun coming in, we remove them, and then we can put them right back up. So I've got this window, this one, and then I've got the two over here and the front windows. The big window, we have something that we're gonna put over that, so we don't have to worry about that one. So I need to make a few more of these to go into the rest of the windows. Luckily, all 4 of these windows are the same size, so I cut out one and then I can cut out the other ones to match it. So I'm just cutting those and then we're gonna be placing them inside. So real quick, let me show you what my husband is working on. We are insulating the doors. So we took some insulation that we found at Lowe's and he put them inside the doors, and then he's gonna go ahead and cover the doors with the wood. He's already done this side right here, and that's what he's gonna do with the other side as well. Now I just need to trim this a little bit and it will fit perfectly in there. All right, so something important we noticed when we're trimming these is you want to leave space. Don't cut it perfectly to where it fits in there. You want to have overlap because that's what you're going to push up inside of the windows to keep it in there, or else it'll fall right out. So you want it to hold, so leave extra space. I just cut off the excess because it wasn't fully sealing it. So now it should fit perfectly. And there we go. So now those will hold just like that. See, I'm not holding it and it's gonna stay in place. This is gonna hold in the heat and also the cool, whichever we want when we're out camping. So I've got it on all of the windows. The only ones I need to do now, I need to do these right now. And that's an odd shape, so that's gonna be a little bit more fun. So let me work on those ones. All right, friends, so we are done for today. We were able to panel each of these walls with some wood that we got from Lowe's, and we ended up using the fence wood, so it was super cheap. I think it was $1.90 per piece of wood, and we used 20 of those to do these 2 sides. There are a few that we still need to do, like the tops up here, as well as a few cracks that we're gonna put some borders in and just to kind of decorate it, make it a little pretty. We were able to fix all of the windows with the Reflectix. I went ahead and spray painted the outside black, so that's gonna be facing out. That way it just doesn't look, you know, silver. People might think that's a little crazy, but so yeah, I think we got a lot done. It looks really nice. I do like this, and we'll do more. My husband has to go back to work, so we'll work on it again on his next days off. But for now, this is as far as we got. Super excited with it. It's turning out good. Until next time, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.